Good morning, people. Day 3, and in a way it's the day 1 of our traveling, because first couple of days we have just spent taking rest and acclimatizing the weather of Ladakh, and this is the day 3, and from today onwards we will start exploring the Leh city itself. We have rented our bikes which are available in Leh city, and I would also recommend, if you are coming to Leh and you love bikes, it's better to come by flight and hire the bikes from Leh so that you can give local people a help. That is very important to sustain the tourism in this area. And the bikes are easily available. We have rented Royal Enfield 500cc classic bikes. On those bikes, we will be exploring the city of Leh today only. In a way, we will have our own acclimatization in the city as well as knowing the bike also. So we will be riding around the bike so that if there is any issues regarding our way of riding, we can get it changed. So that's it. It's a beautiful day, hot, sunny weather with a little bit of clouds out there. So hopefully they comes out in a bunch so that we can have a good temperature and light for the best of the photography and videos that I can cater you. So just wait and watch. The day has just started. Yes, we are almost ready and ready to rock and roll. The bikes are just all hitting started. We are starting. So hopefully we're gonna have fun, and that's the idea. So let's hit the road. As the sun was climbing up, all the adventure enthusiasts from all around the country were gearing up to take on the lifetime adventure of riding a Royal Enfield motorbike in the mountains of Himalayas in Leh and Ladakh region. We also left for the same. Filling up the fuel tank was the priority, as the region does not have enough fuel stations. We filled up the tanks and embarked on the first adventurous ride in our Ladakh Legacy 2021 tour. We started our ride from Leh after spending 2 days to acclimatize in high altitude of Leh. It was time to test our motorbikes. Full of excitement and energy, we left on our Royal Enfield motorbikes towards the Sangam, the confluence point of river Indus and Zanskar, a very important tourist destination just an hour ride from the Leh city. Set amidst the epic Himalayas, Ladakh is a rustic and heavenly beautiful travel destination. The rugged valleys and mountains, winding roads coupled with the vibrant cultural life maintain the exuberance and charm of this region. The iconic magnetic hill, the turquoise-colored Pangong Lake, the confluence of two mystical rivers, ancient and awe-inspiring monasteries, and the highest passes are a few of the marvelous attractions of Leh and Ladakh in general. The wide array of trekking routes will satiate your soul and enrich the senses. The moon-like desert mountains continue to be an exceptional destination for adventure seekers and admirers of Buddhism and phenomenal mountain vistas. So get ready for some amazing travel experiences and to explore the most enthralling destination of India and bring back souvenirs of endless memories. So embark with me on this virtual tour and let's explore what this mystical land has got. A beautiful view. We are at the confluence of two major rivers of Ladakh. The river that originates from Ladakh itself, the river Zanskar, that is coming from the left of me, that you can see over there, and on the right, this is the river Indus. Our civilization comes to name by this river itself, called Indus civilization. So both the rivers join together here and flows towards the Pakistan. A very important place near Leh. It's hardly a drive of 1 hour, and also a rafting point which is known as one of the highest rafting points in the world. So an interesting place just a drive away from Leh. So if you are in Leh, do visit these beautiful places. After this, we'll be going much higher, almost 26 kilometers in the higher point of this river where the rafting starts, and from there we'll try to get you some more information and some interesting views. Till that time, enjoy the view. When the wind calls, you know that somewhere in the mountains it has found the answers that you were looking for. The pull of the horizon overcomes the inertia of reason, and you just have to go. This is what happened with us, and we embarked on this lifetime journey to Leh and Ladakh. Here we are following the Zanskar river. We are almost 70-80 kilometers, a little bit higher from Leh, and a beautiful point where you can spend enough time and enjoy the beauty of the river, mountains, and beautiful blue sky. The journey continues. So after a half day of drive, we have finally stopped at a restaurant. It's a beautiful restaurant by the name of NH1 Cafe. So right now we are traveling on National Highway number 1 of India, and that is considered to be the lifeline of northern part of India. So we are on NH1, a beautiful restaurant, and the village is known as Nimbu. So if you are traveling from Leh towards Srinagar, Nimbu and NH1 can be a perfect stop. So again, let's talk about what we have done so far. The morning has been interesting. We had our bikes, we had our we were feeling well, so we decided to go for a ride, and the ride so far has been excellent. We reached till the Sangam, which is basically the confluence of two major rivers, Indus River and the river Zanskar, and that was beautiful. The sky is amazingly blue, and so far so good. Having fun, excellent, and here comes our mojito. Day 3 was going as was planned, but a small glitch in one of the bikes made us to return to Leh, as from day 4 we were going on a long ride towards Nubra Valley, crossing the highest motorable pass in the world. We didn't want to take any risk with our bikes, so we returned to Leh and gave the bikes for final checkup and repairs. Our bikes were later delivered back in the night at our hotel, and we relaxed and packed our bags for the day 4, as it was going to be our first long ride in Ladakh, and the highest motorable road of the world was waiting for us. The day 4. Day 4 was an amazing ride with some extraordinary scenery of mountains, rivers, valleys, people, culture, and the monasteries. So stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe my channel for the best of the Ladakh Legacy Tour 2021. There's a lot more coming up in next videos with an all-exclusive adventure. This is Nishang Jain signing off for now from my channel Travelaholic Nick. Till the next time, enjoy this view. Julay.